Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 2 of Module 2, Tuesday, September 29th. Here's what we have to do today. First, you will watch this video. Then you will go to Async Work. Today's Async Work is in your Future Advanced textbook. You will do pages 10 and Part A, and here's the listening. Part B in Section 2, and it's the same audio. All right, the same audio. And then you will do page 11, exercise A and B in part 3, and you can use this audio here for that. And that's it for async. Let's see what we have in sync. So today's sync is going to be extremely special. We have a visit from Ana Reyes and Alaline from Student Services to discuss creating short-term goals. All right. This session is with all of level 6 classes, all of them together. And we're going to work in small groups to create short-term goals, and that will continue with our community building. And this is the presentation that we will be using to do this session. All right. And that's it for today. Good luck.